Hello and welcome back. I am Marc, the DigitalProf and author of the Digital Transformation Canvas. We have seen that the 5 industrial revolutions over the past 300 years have created new technology and with that new business innovation. With every phase in the industrial revolutions, organizations were challenged and forced to renew their strategies in order to remain competitive. And in the center of the 4th industrial revolution, digital transformation, is the creation of a new dimension, the cyberspace. 2 important terms: digitalisation in order to optimize and automate processes, and as mentioned before, digital transformation, a holistic strategic renewal of an organization in order to remain competitive by identifying the relevant digital technology and creating new products and services, new business and pricing models in order to remain competitive. Our research among 4,000 research participants has also shown that especially small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, small businesses, do just not do enough in order to identify market changes, new technology, and changes in customer requirements. We have also seen that the threat from competitors which do have digital strategies is real, and unfortunately, only half of small businesses do have a digital strategy, a digital roadmap, any type of documentation that shows how the organization will remain competitive in the digital age. The drivers for digital transformation are digitalization to improve process efficiencies, but also the emergence of new customer requirements which dictate how you should run your business and which digital channels you should provide, but also new technology. And even though technology should follow strategy, in many cases it is technology that comes first and we have to adapt our strategies accordingly. And so the big question is, if you run a business, in this example, Alexandra's bike shop, how will you renew your business? Will you digitalize or digitally transform your organization? And there are various steps an organization can take. It doesn't always need to be the biggest strategic change if your organization has invested into digital technology in previous years. So it could well be that in some cases it might only make sense to have point technologies that will improve certain business cases or processes. And in other cases, it is recommended to take a break from daily operations, review your activities and your value chain, and renew your strategy with a digital roadmap at the center. Now, the traditional strategy development process included a set of steps in order to analyze the market, competitors, customers, and environmental factors, to create the big picture with a SWOT analysis, for example, and then to identify and define strategic options and define your strategy, where you show with which initiatives you're going to implement that strategy. Now, unfortunately, many organizations don't run that process anymore. They simply don't have time, or they are not willing to invest in a very fast-paced time in such a process. And therefore, these 7 action fields of digital transformation provide a true alternative. They are navigating aids. They are the 7 topics which you should discuss with your management team and your employees at least in order to take advantage of digital transformation. We would like to understand what has changed with your customers, what new technology has emerged, whether you have a clear picture of your data and if you use your data strategically, if the combination of the 3 leads into new digital business opportunities, business models, pricing models, whether you optimize your organization through process automation and digitalization, what type of leadership approach in new work formats you have embedded, and finally, whether you are utilizing new digital marketing channels and tools. And so the 7 action fields are your navigation aid. And once you run through workshops, you still can determine, once you have that holistic picture, whether you want to go for that holistic digital transformation, or if individual strategic initiatives are more suited, or if digitalization, process improvement, is for this point of time your priority. In the book, The Digital Transformation Canvas, all of these tools are available to you. First of all, the workshop canvas itself, guiding you through the 7 action fields, the ACT, Analyze, Create, Transform method with 24 strategic questions, and both in combination or individually as standalone workshop tools will enable you to build your digital strategy, your digital roadmap. Please visit the digitaltransformationcanvas.com for further information. The new book endorsed by academics and executives across the globe.